Welcome back to Autoview Pro. Thanks for tuning in. Today, I've got something truly extraordinary for you. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome, a vehicle that fuses the rugged heart of a Kenworth semi-truck with the opulence and freedom of a luxury motorhome. Over the next several minutes, we'll dive deep into everything design, engineering, living spaces, technology, driving impressions, pros and cons, and whether this is the future of luxury road travel. Let's get started. To introduction and context, the automotive world is no stranger to innovation. But once in a while a concept comes along that pushes boundaries. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is exactly that, a bold reimagining of what an RV can be. It's more than just a conversion, it's a purpose-built fusion of heavy-duty durability and high-end living. For those who've seen prior Kenworth trucks or performance semi-chassis, the T-Series has always stood for strength, longevity, and road presence. Now, Kenworth EOS or custom builders working with the T2000 platform have turned it into a rolling sanctuary, capable of crossing continents yet offering all the comforts of home. In this video, we'll cover exterior and design cues, chassis and drivetrain engineering, interior layout and amenities technology, connectivity and safety, on-road performance and test impressions, strengths, drawbacks, and who this is for, final verdict. I'll try to be as thorough and engaging as possible, so stick with me. But to exterior and design details, from the moment you see the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome, it commands attention. The silhouette retains the unmistakable T2000 profile. Long hood, high axle setup, bold grille, but extended into a motorhome form. The exterior is muscular yet refined, blending aerodynamic improvements with strong visual cues. Some notable design touches, aerodynamic enhancements. The motorhome version integrates fairings, side skirts, and smooth transitions to minimize drag. This is especially important given the size and weight. Large glazing and windows, massive panoramic windows and skylights flood the interior with natural light, giving a more open feel. Integrated storage compartments, full-length side bays, slide-out lockers, and hidden compartments preserve the clean look while maximizing utility. Awning, rooftop terraces, and slide-outs. Some versions include retractable awnings or rooftop deck platforms. The slide-out walls expand living space when parked. Exterior finishes and customization, paint options, metallic accents, and accent lighting are part of the package, making each unit unique. The design philosophy seems to balance two things: preserving Kenworth's bold truck identity and delivering the sophistication you expect in a top-tier motorhome. 2. Chassis, powertrain and engineering. What sets the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome apart is that it's not a light RV on a weak frame. It's built on a semi-truck chassis that gives it strength, durability, and performance margins beyond what many motorhomes can match. Chassis and suspension, heavy-duty frame rails and reinforced crossmembers underpin the structure, supporting the weight of living modules, water, fuel, appliances, and occupants. Air suspension or advanced multi-link setups are used to smooth out ride quality and manage load leveling. Multi-axle configurations may include dual trailing axles or tag axles for better weight distribution. High-capacity braking systems, possibly with regenerative features or advanced disc brakes, ensure safety under heavy load. Engine and transmission. While the full factory specifications are sometimes custom or built by specialty RV firms, some commonly reported figures suggest a robust diesel power plant in the 450 to 700 up range, depending on configuration, high torque output to make climbing hills, passing, and long-distance travel manageable, possibly hybrid or auxiliary electric support systems for silent, efficient operation in campsites or urban stops, automated or heavy-duty automatic transmissions that can handle high torque and offer flexibility in various driving modes, multi-mode drive settings to optimize for economy, performance, or quiet operation. Fuel tanks and range. Large diesel fuel tanks, possibly dual or extended, to support long-range travel. Secondary fuel or generator systems to run appliances and systems off. Grid-efficient fuel management and thermal systems, cooling, exhaust, emissions controls that respect modern environmental standards. 2. Interior and living spaces. This is where the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome shines. The idea is not just to survive on the road, but to live richly. The interior rivals a boutique hotel or high-end apartment more than a typical RV. Let's walk through the living zones. Entry and living room. You often step in via side or rear entry into a spacious living area. Key features include plush seating, recliners, sofas, or even a modular lounge that swivels, high ceilings, and open floor plan aided by slide-outs, entertainment zone, large LED or OLED screens, surround audio, possibly retracting displays, ambient lighting, LED strips, accent lighting, reading lamps, large windows, skylights, and panoramic views, flooring choices such as hardwood, tile, or premium vinyl, kitchen and dining. The kitchen in the T2000 Motorhome is serious. No afterthought. You get full-size appliances, refrigerator, freezer, induction or gas cooktop, oven, microwave, high-end finishes, stone countertops, stainless steel, designer cabinetry, large sinks, sometimes dual, with high-end faucets, pantry and deep storage, convertible dining. Either standalone table or flip-up surfaces, smart appliances and integrated controls. Bedroom and sleep quarters comfort is non-negotiable. Bedrooms are designed with or queen-size bed, often electric, adjustable wardrobes, closets, sometimes a walk-in style nightstands, reading lights, USB power access, windows and skylights for natural light, sound and thermal insulation for a quiet, restful night. Bathroom and wellness. Expect more than a basic bathroom. Full showers, sometimes with glass walls, often with multiple heads or rain features. Toilet sears, vacuum or standard with privacy design. Vanities, sinks, lighting, large mirrors, optionally. Extra amenities, sauna, steam function, even a small jacuzzi tub. In some extracts, storage for toiletries, linens, towels, additional amenities and luxuries. This is where customization lets the motorhome become extraordinary. Cinema or media room, retractable big screen, projector, theater seating, office or workspace, fold-out desks, connectivity, smart lighting, gym corner or fitness area, compact equipment, fold-down racks, rooftop deck or terrace for lounging. Dining, stargazing, outdoor entertainment setup, external TVs, sound systems, awnings, utility zones, laundry machines, water filtration, HVAC systems, power management systems, solar panels, battery packs, generators, inverters, smart home integration, central control of lighting, climate, window shades, entertainment. In short, you could spend weeks inside the 2026 T2000 without feeling cramped or lacking comfort. 2. Technology, connectivity and safety. To match the world-class build, the tech suite is top tier. Infotainment and connectivity, central touchscreen or multiple displays for controlling interior systems, integrated navigation with real-time traffic, off-road roading, and satellite fallback, full smart home interface, lighting, blinds, climate, and security, all controllable from a central panel or mobile app. High-speed internet, satellite, 5G, or hybrid connectivity to keep you online regardless of location. Multi-zone audio, indoor and outdoor sound systems, entertainment, streaming, media servers, and local storage, safety and driver assistance. Given that this is a large and heavy rig, safety is critical. Adaptive cruise control, lane, keep, collision mitigation, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, rear and side view cameras, night vision or infrared systems, tire pressure monitoring, load sensing, and stability control, emergency braking systems, rollover mitigation, and ABS, fire detection, smoke and gas sensors, redundant systems, and diagnostics for systems across the vehicle, plumbing, electric, HVAC, power and utilities management, advanced energy management, battery banks, inverters, smart load balancing, solar arrays and regenerative charging, automatic system failovers, EEG. Generator kicks in if battery dips, monitoring dashboards to track consumption, power inflow, outflow, system status, backup systems for water, waste, climate, etc. 2. Driving impressions and road behavior. Now, let's talk about how it actually feels to drive, or more accurately, pilot this vehicle. I should note that many reviews are by custom conversion firms and independent testers, since full production specs may vary. Still, here's what enthusiasts report. Acceleration and power delivery. Because you're driving what's essentially a powerful semi-chassis, acceleration as relative to weight is robust. On open highways, the T2000 Motorhome doesn't feel underpowered. Passing and merging are manageable. The torque curve is key. Low-end torque helps the heavy loads. Driving modes often include economy, normal, and sport or power modes, which tune throttle response, shift points, and even region strategies if hybrid systems are present. Ride comfort and handling. One might expect a truck-like ride, but the engineering seeks to minimize that. The suspension as air, active dampers, smooths road undulations, weight distribution, especially with full water appliances, etc., is crucial. Builders strive for balanced load. Steering systems are power-assisted, sometimes electronically assisted, to reduce driver fatigue. Wind buffeting and crosswinds are factors. Designers counter this via aerodynamic shaping. When cornering or in tight turns, the vehicle's sheer size demands care. Many drivers compare handling to that of a heavy-duty coach or large bus. Noise, vibration, and harshness (ANVH). Because this is a luxury vehicle, controlling noise and vibration is vital. Reports suggest extensive insulation, acoustic, vibration dampers in walls, floor, ceiling isolation mounts for engines, generators, and mechanical systems, sealed doors, double, glazed windows, and tight tolerances help reduce wind noise. In urban or slow-speed driving, the motorhome runs quietly. Fuel efficiency and range fuel consumption is heavy. This is no daily driver. But thanks to aerodynamics, efficient diesel engines, and hybrid or auxiliary systems, the effective range is respectable. Large fuel reserves, combined with overnight stops that allow electric-only mode, help mitigate consumption during camping. 2. Strengths, weaknesses, and considerations. Now that we've seen what the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome offers, let's weigh pros and cons and see who this is really for. Strengths. 1. Durability and capability. Built on a heavy-duty platform, it can take abuse, heavy loads, and long distances. 2. Luxury of living. The interior rivals boutique homes in comfort and amenities. 3. Customization. Buyers or conversion houses can tailor features to individual tastes. 4. Performance margins. Due to truck heritage, it handles steep grades and towing better than many motorhomes. 5. Prestige and wow factor. It's a showpiece. Few vehicles blend power and luxury this extravagantly. Weaknesses to challenges. 1. Cost. Such builds carry enormous price tags. Many reports place them in the high six-figure or million-dollar range. 2. Operational cost. Fuel, maintenance, tires, insurance, servicing, custom systems, all are expensive. 3. Size and maneuverability. Fitting into standard campgrounds, narrow roads, parking garages is problematic. 4. Complexity and reliability risks. More systems means more that can go wrong. 5. Regulatory legal barriers. Depending on jurisdiction, weight limits, licensing, road permits, emissions compliance may be strict. 6. Resale. Undue market risk. Niche builds may have limited buyers down the road. Who it's for? This motorhome is not for everyone. The ideal user has deep pockets or willingness to invest heavily, wants both road durability and luxury. Probably someone traveling full-time, with long-range ambitions, enjoys custom vehicles and wants to stand out, doesn't mind the operational overhead, has routes, terrain, and infrastructure that accommodate a vehicle of its size. 2. Sample narrative walkthrough. Else for your video, let me walk you through how I'd structure a narrative as I film or present this motorhome. You step up onto wide, illuminated steps and enter the spacious living hall. Ahead, a panoramic window is letting in soft daylight. To your right is the entertainment lounge, plush seating facing a retractable screen. Across, the kitchen gleams with stone countertops and brushed steel. Slide out the dining tabletop, and 2 fold-down workstations appear. Move further back and the corridor is lined in high-quality wood veneer. To the left, the bathroom offers a full spa shower with a glass enclosure, rainfall head, and mood lighting. On the right, a concealed door opens to a laundry area. At the end, the master bedroom awaits a king-size bed with memory foam mattress, privacy shades, and windows on either side. The walls have the same premium finishes and a skylight above. Outside, you find hidden slide-out bay compartments for utilities, generator ventilation, and external entertainment hookups. The rooftop terrace is accessed via a staircase and offers a cozy lounge space with railings and sunset views. As you narrate the tour, alternate between close-ups, finishes, switches, control panels, wide shots, space flow and cutaways, exterior lines, chassis details. Use background music that's luxurious but not overwhelming, and maintain a pace that lets viewers absorb both visual and technical details. 2. Suggested video flow, time management. Here's a rough timeline you might use to produce U130 induction hook. This is not just an RV U130 to 130. Exterior walkaround and design Zuni 3030 to 300. Chassis powertrain. Mechanicals 300 to 500. Interior tour living kitchen. Bedrooms 500 to 600. Bathroom and amenities 600 to 700. Tech and control systems 700 to 800. On-road footage, driving impressions, stability, noise 1800 to 900. Strengths, weaknesses, comparisons 900 to 930. Final thoughts and call to action. You can expand or contract sections based on how many visuals you have and what aspects you wish to emphasize. Final thoughts and takeaway. The 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome is far more than a novelty. It represents a bold fusion industrial strength meets home comfort. For those who want to travel long distances without compromise, and with flair, this vehicle offers a unique proposition. Yes, it's costly and complex. Yes, it's not practical for every road or budget. But for someone building a dream of ultimate mobile luxury, few vehicles deliver on both performance and lifestyle quite like this. If I were concluding for the audience, I'd say, if you've ever imagined combining a serious long-haul rig with a first-class home on wheels, the T2000 might just be the pinnacle. It's a glimpse of what the future of luxury motorhomes could be. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to Autoview Pro, and let me know in comments which feature of the T2000 Motorhome impressed you most, or what else you'd like me to cover in future episodes. I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe, big.